Good evening. In 2004, my sister saved my life, clear and simple. She was there for me when we were little, and she was there for me when I saw no other way out of my bipolar depression. Glenn took me to the hospital. Without her, I would probably, most likely, be dead. The urges toward suicide were becoming more than I could bear. I was feeling that I had no other choice. To say I am grateful to be alive, grateful to Glenn, is an understatement. But it was my son, Kalen Pick, who gave us our first lessons in mental illness, something we didn't talk about as a family. When he was a teenager, he developed schizoaffective disorder, a combination of bipolar illness and schizophrenia. He was hospitalized at 19, and when he came home, he had to learn how to live all over again. When Kalen got sick, I saw the prejudice and fear that we know as stigma. His friends abandoned him, even though he was the leader of the pack during his younger teenage years. Those friends have never come back. I, too, was plagued by fear that the parents of my children's friends wouldn't want their children around me. Today, because Glenn took up the challenge, Kalen is married, medication compliant, and living a productive life as an artist. I travel the country as an advocate for mental health. I wrote Resilience, that was released in January, and the paperback's coming out this January, and I'm working on another book. I am so grateful for this recognition of my sister, her bravery and selfless fight against stigma, and all that needs to be done for the millions of us who live with brain disorders. Glenn has gone way out on a limb to bring mental health into focus. We now know, because we have lived it, that the road to recovery begins with a simple conversation.